All right, this is a dimensional analysis practice problem. It's leading up to our current unit of stoichiometry. When we say stoichiometry in chemistry, we're talking about ratios of reactants to products. In chemistry, that's a very important central idea or topic because you're talking about how much, if I have this much a reactant, how much product could I make? If I made this much product, how much reactant got used up? So you have to master the concept of dimensional analysis, changing one unit to another in order to do stoichiometry. So let's do this one-step conversion factor problem. All right, you always begin by writing down the number and unit being given. So it says how many atoms are in 14 moles of cadmium. Now, I told the class early on to remember that 1 mole of anything is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms, and that's also equal to the atomic mass in grams of any element. Okay? All right, so that you need to commit to memory. So make sure you realize that 1 mole of anything is 6.023 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. We call that Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number, okay? All right, here's how we start. All right, you want to always write the number and unit being given, write that first. So I'm given 14 moles, and write the entire thing out of cadmium. So you want to write moles cadmium. All right, whatever unit is here, and that's understood to be over the number 1, so that must be in our numerator. Whatever unit is here, we're going to put it down below on the conversion factor. So, and it doesn't matter if it's plural or singular. If they are the same unit, they will cancel. All right. Do we know anything about 1 mole to atoms? All right. Yes, because we know that there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms in 1 mole of anything. So we put Avogadro's number on top. All right. And you notice how I'm writing out every single unit, and that'll prevent you from making a careless error. So if I cancel moles here, look for moles here and mark it out. All right, and I like to circle my final unit. So atoms now will be the final unit. Is that what you're asking me to find? Yes, okay. So all you have to do is multiply 14 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So on your calculator, all right, you should have an EE button. All right, so you could just say 6.02 EE23 times 14. All right, and now your calculator will express the answer this way, 8.428 in a little superscript of 24. That's not how you want to write it. You want to actually write 8.4, and you can leave that off and just round the rest of it, times 10 to the 24th atoms, okay, of cadmium. And it's that simple. So once you do these enough times, it gets easier and easier and easier. Just remember, you always start by writing down the given first. That's always the first step. Then whatever unit is in your given, put that unit on the bottom of the conversion factor. And then it's up to you to decide, can I go straight from moles to atoms? Now, if this problem had asked for grams, I could have gone from moles directly to grams, but I'd have to put the atomic mass of cadmium on top. All right? So this dimensional analysis problem, you have to know how to work problems similar to this in order to eventually do a full stoichiometric conversion.